Not ready for this. I really need a break. You know what actually horror is? Choosing between protecting your family and running your startup. Last year, my startup had few tough months. Bills were piling, so I had to choose between bills and term insurance premium. But thanks to premium break option of ICICI Pru iProtect Smart Plus, I could pause the premium payments for a year. And the good part is that the live cover continues as it is. For horror movies, you can use pause button, but for real life, you need a smart term plan like ICICI Pru iProtect Smart Plus. Get rupees 1 crore life cover at just 440 per month.